Starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good morning. I'm Marcel Roos, an analyst in PSG Multi-Management team. Welcome to today's Fund Focus webinar. In the Fund Focus webinar series, we'll discuss the fund of funds within our PSG Multi-Management solutions. Today, we are focusing on the PSG Wealth Preserver Fund of Funds. I trust that you all are familiar with PSG Multi-Management and what we do. As this is the first fund focus, I'll provide a brief introduction to PSG Multi-Management and then move on to the PSG Wealth Preserver Fund of Fund. Your dedicated investment specialist will be able to assist you with more information on us or any of our funds. A brief introduction on PSG Multi-Management. What do we do? We combine portfolios from a group of distinct but complementary investment managers into a new portfolio, known as a fund of funds. Why do we do this? To reduce the level of volatility and risk and potentially increase long-term returns for our clients. Who is this for? It is for PSG Wealth Advisor clients who are seeking a professional multi-manager to manage their fund selection. We have a comprehensive range of solutions that meet varying risk and return needs. How do we achieve results? We follow our three core principles. We place return, risk, and value for money at the forefront of our selection process. We believe that all three cogs are important, should complement each other, and should not be viewed in isolation. Our aim is to construct a portfolio of funds that is diversified across various investment managers to minimize short-term volatility without compromising on long-term returns. What are the advantages from a client's point of view? They achieve diversification across all asset classes, across investment managers with different investment styles, mandates, and risk profiles. Reduce risk because of diversification. They have dedicated asset allocation experts that make underlying fund choices and how to best combine these funds. They have access to a wider investment universe with a single investment. PSG Multi-Management have robust governance and processes in place to reduce overall investment risk. And we monitor our funds on an ongoing basis to ensure optimal returns and reduce risk levels. What are the advantages from an advisor's point of view? You spend less time researching and selecting funds, resulting in more time in front of your clients. This essentially allows you to grow your book more effectively. We increase the scalability of your book as individual asset allocation and fund selection is reduced. Advice risk is reduced, and it allows for more efficient administration. And lastly, more flexibility with regards to client-based management. I chose to speak about the preserver because of all the current uncertainties in the market. There are political uncertainties, locally with Zuma and the ANC's December election, the ongoing Gupta scandals, state-owned enterprise mismanagement, and globally also with Trump, North Korea, and ISIS, just to name a few. There is interest rate uncertainty with possible further rate decreases in South Africa and Fed rate increases in the US, all affecting our lives. This can all contribute to client hesitation to invest due to a fear of losing money. The PSG Wealth Preserver Fund of Fund provides an excellent solution in scenarios like this, as it protects the downside well, while still allowing clients to participate in market upside if the equity market rallies. We'll now take a closer look at the PSG Wealth Preserver Fund of Fund, its characteristics, constituents, and performance. The PSG Wealth Preserver Fund of Fund is classified in the CISA SA multi-asset low equity sector. Therefore, it is a cautious multi-asset solution. That means the fund attempts to generate a reasonable amount of medium-term growth through investments in a wide array of asset classes. The fund restricts its equity allocation to 40% and is focused on preserving capital over any one-year period. The preserver additionally aims to generate a return of no less than inflation plus 3% over any 3-year rolling period. The fund is Regulation 28 compliant, so it can be used in discretionary and non-discretionary investment products. It also has 0 performance fees, so it is available in the tax-free investment plan. It declares a moderate level of interest biannually in February and August. And lastly, it has a recommended minimum minimum recommended investment horizon of about 3 years. So this fund is not for investors with a short-term investment horizon of 1 or 2 years. The fund is about 10 billion in size, and that is split equally amongst the 5 underlying managers. We use top managers in the country from Coronation, Investec, Prudential, PSG Asset Management, and SIM. This fund is a multi-asset fund, which is evident when looking at the fund's asset allocation. As mentioned earlier, the fund has a maximum equity exposure of 40%, with the average being closer to 35%. This allows the fund to participate in the equity market upside. The remaining 60% or so is mostly allocated to domestic cash and bonds, which provides downside protection for the fund. It can invest a maximum of 25% offshore, and as you can see, most managers are making full use of this at the moment. So, how has the fund performed historically? It has outperformed the peer group average by 1.54% over the last 3 years. It is ranked 12th out of 93 funds in the peer group over the last 3 years and ranked 8th in the peer group since inception of the fund. It has achieved top quartile performance over all periods from 1 to 7 years and since inception. This graph illustrates the capital preservation nature of the preserver. It shows the preserver's up capture and down capture ratios relative to the South African equity market, using the FTSE JSE All Share Index as a proxy. A positive up capture ratio and a negative down capture ratio is favorable. This shows the asymmetric risk profile of the fund, meaning that when the equity markets go up, the preserver captures about 50% of the returns, but when it goes down, it captures less than 10% of the market's downside, or even move in the opposite direction. In other words, it goes up when the markets go down. This graph illustrates that performance can be quite volatile over the short term. It shows the 1-year excess rolling returns of the preserver and its underlying funds relative to the sector average. We prefer rolling returns over growth charts, as rolling returns shows consistency of performance and is not so heavily impacted by a start and end date. You can see that every one of our underlying funds underperformed at some stage, but due to our split funding approach, where we blend managers with different investment styles, the fund of fund never underperformed the peer group average. We achieve a more consistent performance profile for clients. This is the key objective and benefit of split funding. The graph also illustrates how the different funds and strategies complement each other. The most evident here is PSG Stable, represented by the orange line, and Investec Cautious Managed, represented by the purple line. These two funds often add to the fund's performance at different times, contributing towards the consistent outperformance of the preserver relative to the peer group average. This slide illustrates the long-term rolling returns of the preserver. What is important to note here is that even with the smooth returns over the short term, the fund of fund does not compromise on returns over the long term. It has outperformed the peer group average by 1.13% or more per annum over all rolling 3-year periods since inception. It has also outperformed the peer group average by 2.05% or more per annum over all rolling 5-year periods since inception. On top of this, it has outperformed the peer group average on a risk-adjusted basis using the Sortino ratio over all rolling 5-year periods since inception. This means that per unit of risk it has delivered a better return than the peer group average. Here we highlight why the preserver has a minimum investment horizon of 3 years. Over the short term, such as 1-year rolling returns, the preserver has never delivered a negative return. This is testament to the capital preservation nature of the fund. The range of the short-term returns are relatively large, ranging from 4.1% to 19.6% over 1 year. The shorter-term returns may therefore be quite volatile. As the holding period increases, these lumpy short-term returns smooth out and the range of returns decreases, as you can see. This graph illustrates the value for money principle for the preserver. The TR, or total expense ratio, is represented by the solid gold line, while the fund's illustrative fee is the dashed line. The TR is the 3-year annualized historical fee paid by the investors, while the illustrative fee gives an indication of what a current investor in the preserver pays. We can estimate this figure as we have zero performance fees in any of our fund of funds and its underlying funds, and have negotiated fixed management fees with our underlying managers. The illustrative fee is currently 1.15%, providing great value for money for clients wishing to invest in a stable or cautious fund. In conclusion and summary, the PSG Wealth Preserver Fund of Fund is a cautious multi-asset solution. It attempts to generate a reasonable amount of medium-term growth through investments in a wide array of asset classes. It is therefore ideal for clients that wish to participate in equity markets but also wish to preserve capital by protecting their downside. The fund is Regulation 28 compliant and has a clean class, the D class, available, so it can be used in a wider range of investment products, including all discretionary, non-discretionary, and tax-free investment plans. Should you wish to obtain more information on any of our PSG Wealth Fund of Funds, please feel free to contact your dedicated investment specialist. That is all for today. Thank you for your time and enjoy your day further.